Hello, Scorpio. Welcome in. We are going to do your general read for March. I know it's late. Better late than never. So, your message is going to be general. Whatever is the most important message to come out, whether it has to do with love, family, career, relationships, just solely about you, whatever Spirit feels is the most important message. This ain't my choice. So we're going to start you off with the universe has your back. And then get into your read. And remember, if the message isn't resonating, do not force it to fit. You can always check out your moon or your rising. Or if there's a title of another video that's calling to you, there could be a message in there for you. All right. Here we go. All right, Spirit, what does Scorpio need to know? What does Scorpio need to know? Ooh, you're a thinker. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. It's the owl. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. Are you trying to grow spiritually, Scorpio? You have a thirst. This is a hunger for knowledge of spiritual knowledge, esoteric. I keep getting mediumship and psychic abilities. There are, I know it seems like there's like few far and in between like places to find to be able to take classes or educate yourself, but just got to do the research. I used to go to a spiritualist church very, very close to my house. And I took classes, mediumship classes, psychic classes. It was an amazing experience to be surrounded by people who were, just like you, who didn't think you were weird or crazy. One more. Bottom of the deck. King of Cups. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You're opening up more spiritually. You're opening up to more of your gifts, Scorpio. I need 2 for Scorpio. 2 for Scorpio. The Hangman's in reverse and the Moon. This is your intuition. Okay. Let me confirm it first. Who are they dealing with? Let me get to the person they're dealing with. Okay, great. So, Scorpio, the person you're dealing with or in relationship with, maybe at this current point in time, you're afraid to open up about, you may already have certain gifts, whether it's, clairaudience, clairvoyance, clairsentience, claircognizance. You may already be utilizing 1 or 2 of these gifts and you have not told your person. You have not told the person you're dealing with, or this could be a very brand new relationship. You could be dealing with a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, maybe younger than you, or Aries, Leo, Sag. as I said, you might be afraid to open up to them about your abilities. Okay? You're kind of keeping it on a hush hush because you don't want them to judge you. You don't want them to think you're crazy. You're not crazy, number one. Number two, this person is not going to react that way. You may have had people in the past react that way to you, but this person is going to be so intrigued and so interested in not learning for themselves, but learning about you. Like, I don't. Do you guys remember back in the day? And I'm going to show my age. Those floor standing TVs, like the big wooden boxes. How as little kids we would just sit there with our palms underneath our chins, just 2 inches away from the TV, watching cartoons. Like that's how this person is going to be. They want to. They want to learn about you. They're not going to judge you. They're going to be very interested, and this is the type of person that they're genuine. They want to see you go towards what you're interested in, what makes you happy, and spirituality, esoteric. Maybe maybe you read tarot. Maybe, as I said, you already have some gifts you're working with. They want to see you grow because they know that that's what's going to make you happy. What happened in the past? I have my legs crossed. I go like a lady. Are you sitting there with your legs crossed, Scorpio? Like a lady? The Hierophant, Knight of Wands, and the Devil. Okay. So you went from traditional to non-traditional. Wah, wah. You may still be a part, you may still be within, church, whether you're Episcopalian, Catholic, Protestant, Baptist. You may still be a part of your church, you may still follow your religious beliefs, but you also have this spiritual side. So in the past, okay, that's for some of you, but for others of you, you were a part of your church. As I said, Episcopalian, gospel. And it was like the more you got educated by the church, the more you were like, I don't think so. You kind of, I don't want to say turned your back on the church because you didn't turn your back on God. You turned your back on the church. So you went from traditional what a church is to being spiritual because that's what felt right in your hearts. Let me clarify the Devil. Yeah, okay. Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, King of Swords. So in the past, when you've opened up about no longer believing in the church, no longer wanting to be a part of the church and follow your intuition, follow your internal guidance of going towards spirituality, the people you had within your circle that you opened up about this to, not having it. Not having it. They were not happy at all whatsoever about your choices and decisions. They saw it as, give me a break, signs of the devil. Like, you're a devil worshiper now? No. No. I'm not. Oh my God. Like, I'm not doing spell work and all this other crap that you're trying to come up with. I just have a different belief. And if you don't like that, tough shit. I don't care. And like this, they tried hard, very hard, to get you to stop what you were doing, to revert you back to the church, because the more people we have in the church, the bigger the numbers, the more money we make, and the stronger we are. No. You're not stronger than God. Strength, yes, does come in numbers, but not what you're trying to preach. I feel like they were preaching to you. It felt like they were preaching hate and judgment, where nobody gets the right to judge. You can judge all you want, but it's not going to get you anywhere. It's under God's judgment. Obstacle. You just don't want to go through again what you went through in the past. The Star, 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands. Okay. So, like I was saying before, you're fearful that if you open up to this person about what makes you happy, what brings you peace, what brings you balance, they are going to repeat what this person and or group of people did in the past, and it's not the case. I mean, you don't have to you don't have to go sit there and blow their mind and be like, listen Jack, listen Lisa, listen Linda. I see and I talk to dead people all the time. You don't gotta drop a bomb like that. You can just ease into it. Okay? Like, maybe that's how you drop the bomb the last time. You don't have to drop a bomb this time. When you do open up, like I said, ease into it. Share how happy this makes you, how satisfied. It makes you feel whole. Utilizing your gifts. Okay. It makes you feel whole helping other people. This person is not going to pass judgment on you. Suggested action. We got the 2 of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the King of Pentacles in reverse. You do not. Hold on. Stop worrying what other people will think of you. You have to do what makes you happy, what makes you feel whole, what brings you joy and contentment. Stop worrying about what other people think and what they are going to say. Let me clarify the King of Pentacles. I got you. So, you may get yourself to the point where you're so nervous and so anxious about opening up about this that you're going to not clam up, but it's going to come out where you're being like aggressive and not nasty about it, but aggressive about it. Like, listen, I see and hear and talk to dead people. Do you got a problem with that? Now that may turn this person off. So just be calm. Maybe meditate before you open up. Okay? So you feel that peace, you feel that calm energy within you. Stop worrying about what other people have said to you, or how other people have felt, because this person is not going to react in the same manner, in the same light. Hug them in the future. Oh, goody. Listen, you may find out that this person, we have the Nine of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. This person that you're dealing with and in relationship with, or kind of growing a relationship with, because I feel like this is new, you may find out that they are also gifted. We're all gifted, okay? It's whether or not you actually grow those gifts and work with them. You may find out that they are also gifted. And when you open up about this, they're going to be like, are you serious? They are going to be so ecstatic and no way. So I have to put it down. So ecstatic and so happy. They're not going to want to let you go because they went through the same stuff. Judgment. They went through the same stuff that you went through, where man was judging them. And they were put out in the cold. They were shunned. Okay, they may have been shunned by their family, shunned by their church. Shunned by their family, shunned by their church. And now they have somebody who is equal to them. Who you guys are a spiritual couple coming together. And once you open up calmly, you're going to realize that. You have found your spiritual mate. All right, Scorpio. Enjoy it.